All right, folks. The next trash truck coming is the yard waste. Sorry for not uploading any new garbage truck content because of, there's no new trucks coming. There aren't any new garbage trucks, There's nothing that I've been missing per se, but just letting y'all know that, I know y'all have missed my cheering when watching the garbage trucks, but sorry about the wind, YouTube. There really is nothing we can do against nature. There is no app that we can use to control this wind. It's out of our control. I think I hear it. And if I didn't record a recycling truck, YouTube, I've seen these trucks for over 4 months. Let's see if there are any Fulano heads being the garbage trucks. Excuse me. Okay. People with brains. Woo! Okay. Oh no! Why did that driver just beat the garbage truck? Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! I'm gonna do something different, YouTube. Woo! Woohoo! Yeah! Okay. Great crew, great garbage truck. There goes around the cul-de-sac. Woo!